Alright, so today I'm gonna show you Heathcliff. So Heathcliff is the barrel that I planted from David Austin. I bought this directly from David Austin. Again, it's end of March, so it's about 1.5 months right now. And I have to say, it is very beautiful red rose. I mean, it's not red. I mean, I can see the undertone of pink in there, but it is so gorgeous. If you can see, you know what rose it remind me of? It remind me of Geoff Hamilton, with the way that the petal was formed. If you can see it here, can you see that? I love it. It's so upright. Can you see how upright it is? This will be a great cut flower for sure. For me, it's like it's so hybridy. It's a very hybridy habit. So when I cut it, I'm probably gonna cut it a little bit below down, so that it will grow up again. But yes, this is beautiful. If you love red rose and you do not find a good red rose from David Austin that the flower doesn't hold its head, this is the one for you. And it has some pretty nice medium tea fragrance to it, which I love it. This is Heathcliff, and I think that the health is pretty good so far. Look at that, still looks pretty good. So big leaf, very dark green. Heathcliff.